Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Eva Burg, I'm a certified nutrition and health coach, and today I would like to show you how you can make silky and smooth peanut butter in the new Optimum Evolve. It will only take us a little over 1 minute to turn those roasted peanuts into silky smooth peanut butter, and all you need will be 3 things. So first of all, you need the Optimum Evolve with the blender jug. You might know that it comes with 2 jugs because it also cooks and steams, but we are looking for the vacuum blender jug for this. Then you will also need the hardened temper and 400 grams of roasted peanuts. It's really important that you get the roasted ones and not the natural ones, so that they can release their oils and that you end up with a silky smooth peanut butter. Now I add the roasted peanuts to the jug, and I'll be using the temper to get any bits away from the side of the jug to make sure that everything gets blended smoothly. So now the lid goes back on. Make sure that you seal it. Now I'll give it about 6 pulses of 3 seconds each. Then you want to make sure that you scrape anything that's sticking to the side. Now you can simply pulse it for 1 minute on high speed. So H for high, and simply press on. So that's ready, and you can already see how silky and smooth it is. So this is perfect. That's what you want your peanut butter to look like. If you prefer your peanut butter to be chunkier, you can simply blend it for a shorter amount of time. Keep your peanut butter in a jar and use it in your porridge, as a spread, in sauces, in your smoothie. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and if you've got any questions, pop them in the comments below, and I hope to see you again soon.